Hello! Hey guys! We have my special guest, my best friend, back on my channel, and it's his birthday today. And today we have a special surprise. So I don't know if you watched my other videos, but he got an appointment at Hermes for his birthday. It was
wild.
It was supposed to be a surprise, but I couldn't hold a surprise, so I told him. But so we're gonna talk about the whole experience and a little unboxing, and just he's gonna talk and I'm gonna hear. But we're both here. Part two of like the two of us because the first part is so well. He's my best friend. I love him so much. Stop turning away from me. Stop turning away from me. He's my best friend. So I'm gonna do a quick intro and then we're gonna start. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, and today we are doing a Hermes Paris birthday haul unboxing, and this is my best friend
Andrew.
Hello, Andrew. Welcome back to the channel. Double teamer. So if that's what you're interested, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing.
Subscribe.
And keep on watching. Okay, sorry, we have to do a camera adjustment. Okay, sorry, we have to do a camera. Wait, is he recording? Okay. So I'm gonna let Andrew talk for most of this because I want him to do it because it's his unboxing, it's his birthday, and it's so happy for him. But I just want to give a little preface. Okay, so it's his birthday today. I reached out to my SA contact, who I'm so lucky to have, who has been so helpful and got me my Kelly 25.
Excuse my language, like a fucking good person.
Such a good person. So I reached out and I said I wanted to surprise my best friend for his birthday because we couldn't get him a bag last time he was here, and also, you know, I just wanted to, and we were doing a whole London trip, which I'll talk about in another video. Went to London for his birthday, but Harry Potter, because we're both Harry Potter nerds.
Harry Potter the Cursed Child, Harry Potter Studio Tour, saw Mel Destant and Funny Girl Unbreak Herself. It was iconic.
So good.
And the cherry on top of a great London trip was getting like a bag I never in a billion years would ever think, you know?
Yeah, so we had...
I said bag.
It's fine, it's fine. We got an appointment. I got an appointment. It was supposed to be a surprise, but I couldn't hold in the surprise, so I told him another surprise. So we went to the store today to go, and you were kind of nervous, actually.
Yeah, because it's not a
guaranteed. Yeah, it's not a guaranteed thing. Obviously, it's never a guaranteed thing. I was nervous too because I was really wanting you to get something. I was hoping that you would get something. I was worried that if you didn't, it would be bad. But I'm so.
Well, he's also a real long-term client. I am occasionally going in and get something.
That is not true. You have a lot of stuff. You have that really.
You
got the value. You got the Hackados. You got, what else have you got? You got an Evelyn. You bought like a blanket, pillow. You bought a lot of stuff. You bought a lot of stuff. You bought things. Belty, the shoes, everything. You like, anyway.
We're just being humble.
Anyway, so we got there and my SA was playing along with the surprise thing and I completely forgot that there was a surprise thing. Like, so what are you doing here? Do you have an appointment? Like, what's going on? Is the appointment for you? And I was like, is the appointment for me? Do I have an appointment? And I was like, oh, do I get an appointment too? But then he was like, no. And then it was funny. And then, so then he sat us down and asked what you want. And you had been wanting, what did you, or you tell me.
I go on a plane a lot. I need so I have a big bag, a 40 centimeter bag, which I can put everything in, but I wanted something I can use every single day of my life. I can take out. Right now I use a little pouch, which is great, but I want a handle, and I'm a huge Gossip Girl fan, and I've always like worshipped Kelly Rutherford, who played Lily Vanderwoodson, and she always carries a Kelly or a Birkin 25, 30, a smaller size. I was like, that is such a cool bag. And I'm super influenced by it. So that's just something I've been dreaming about. Never think like that's not gonna happen to me. I'm not gonna get it's never gonna happen. And so sometimes the stars align, and
yeah. So it was his birthday. I think it was a part of it, and then we made a request.
This should be a little telling. I don't want to open these because it's like two. I'm gonna fly back home and open them, but
we made the request with the SA, and we didn't know what he was gonna bring out. We didn't know if he was gonna bring out one.
Right. I just said this is what I'm interested in looking at.
And I told him, I was like, try to stick to like a simple thing, one thing, because I think that's what worked for me is to just like ask for one size, one color. But we were there and we were like, okay, can we zip you?
Well, really, you just said
no. I said, Andrew, okay, you wanted a B. You didn't know which size. I
want a Birkin. Because it's not a bag, it's a Birkin.
It's a Birkin. And he wanted a 35. Well, he wanted a 35 because I had a 35.
And 35 years of a...
35, and also like 35s I think just look better on men anyway. So that's what we went in with. But then I was like, why don't you just see what a 30 looks like too? Just to see and like, you know, compare size, because you are slender and it is a little smaller and I think more daily. And I was like, you can always borrow mine but secretly I also wanted him to get a 30 because then I could borrow his 30, but don't tell him that. Anyway, okay, so you know what? We're talking too much. I'm talking too much. You're gonna talk, and he's gonna do the box. We went to Paris today for my friend's birthday, his 30th birthday. We were lucky enough to get an appointment.
Thanks for saying 30th, really 35.
Oh, his 35th birthday. he was lucky enough to get an appointment.
So lucky.
We were lucky
So
to get an
beautiful.
appointment. I requested it with my SA. We've been working with for a very long
You
time.
first.
But luckily, they were available and they were able to give us an appointment on his birthday. So that was really like luck, chance. Like they were working, they were available. There was an appointment time on his birthday in Paris. Here. So we got the appointment. And
I kind of I knew what I wanted. My dream was to get, because I'm 35 years, I thought 35 Birkin for a 35-year-old would be so iconic.
it'd be so good.
And when we sat down, the essay, wonderful report, caught up, and then I explained what I wanted, and lo and behold, let's go see.
Well, we'll get it back to
He made a great suggestion that maybe...
Yeah, so that's what we asked for, but I said maybe you could ask just to see. Because they allow you to see the bags, and I was like, because he didn't really know, he'd only tried mine on. I was like, you should try a different, try a different on size to see what if you wanted to see a 30 or not, because you are a little more, like a 30 could look nice on you,
really
leaner and like whatever. A 35 is quite big. So I asked the SA if it was possible to see both to just try on, and instead, lo and behold, they just brought out 2 options to choose from between a 30 and a 35 for you.
Right, and that was like, I almost fell on the floor.
We were like.
And if that wasn't...
I thought they were bringing like samples, right? Because they sometimes bring you samples to try on it, and they just brought out. They were like, "I have both."
In the color that I requested.
In the color requested, with the hardware requested, and in my head I was like, "Well, whatever one he doesn't take, I'll take the other one."
Oh, and fun fact, we won't talk, too much. We never kiss and tell. But when we were waiting, a super A-lister, famous person.
Oh yeah, because it's the Olympics.
Yeah, so people are in Paris,
and
we were gagging, screaming. You noticed her, and I was like, "Whoa!" And there were bodyguards, and it was like, big deal. So, anyways, that was kind of fun.
And also, that was the other thing. I was like, "There's a very good chance we could get nothing because the Olympics."
Right,
people here.
of course.
August,
a lot of tourists.
People on vacation, tourists,
famous people here,
and the Olympics,
of course.
And it was like it's an off day, from what I understand. Anyway, so an hour of debating between the two sides, trying the different on. We really thought he was going to go one way. And he curveballed us and went the other way.
An hour and a half of moving, which is really generous.
Really going towards to the one that. Yeah, I'll let you talk.
You got help.
Yeah, of course. Famous white bag.
Okay.
And orange bag is the other white bag.
I'll get you some in orange boxes.
I'm sorry. I'm being really excited about this unboxing. It's your unboxing. I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. Okay. Get fast forward.
I think you can tell from the box.
Well, it's a B. Actually, my dream bag is no. This probably is my dream bag.
I can't believe you got it. You guys, I can't believe
I got it.
I can't believe you
it
got
doesn't
it.
seem like
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Just take that really.
I'll take it out. Okay. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba. Literally, in my opinion, one of the best bags. Best size, best color, best combo, best leather, best everything you get, especially as a first bag and as a just
my first bag.
As your first bag.
First real big real bag.
First bag you get and
I guess the first bag is the Haggados.
No, but your first
Quota
bag. Your first real Hermes bag.
So this is this should be a little telling. Well,
can you guys guess? Wait, pause for dramatic effect. What do you think it is?
It has 2 handbells.
What color is it?
It is Birkin 30 Noir gold hardware and Epsom material, correct? Togo. See? Look at me. Silly me. Yeah, she's
literally the perfect bag.
This is just a size comparison because I am a little I'm a twink basically. So this is it against my person. And I wanted gold hardware because I love gold. So literally Hermes gold. And she's beautiful. And it was such a difficult decision between the 35 and the 30 because the 35 is such a good size. And I actually asked 10 people who are in the little area. Yeah. They have an unbiased
opinion.
Yeah. And more of them, it was a tie maybe?
I think, yeah.
But the deciding factor was, I already have a big bag, so this is perfect, but also when said A-lister walked by and I was looking at both bags, she clocked this one, and I was like, I think that's very telling.
And also, you which one you liked the most. I think after all of that ended up being this.
Yeah, when I walked out of the store, I said, "Damn."
Yeah,
this
it was
is
right
good.
right decision, because I think this is a harder bag to get in general, and like
It's also a great size.
a great size. And if you want to get a 35 down the line, you could always get it. Not always, but it's a little easier to get, or you could get it on the secondhand market for pretty much the
I'm
same
going to
size.
share
as
this
you
with
go.
my mother and my niece.
Oh, I just realized that we didn't get you a raincoat. We gotta ask for a raincoat. You want a raincoat?
Oh, right. Well, I live in SoCal, so it's not so bad. I also got 2 Twillies that are orange.
Yes.
And I'm, of course, looking for... They didn't have any in
Charm.
stock. But I guess this Charm, which they're sold out, which, you know, I'll find one day.
Beautiful.
Yeah, so this is her.
Are you gonna take out the plastic?
I'm going to take out the plastic when I'm home. Because I have to travel.
Oh.
Yeah, so this is... She's
beauty. She's grace. She's Miss United States.
She will be in my coffin with me. Along with every piece of Harry Potter memorabilia I own.
You should call her a he.
Oh, he. Well, he's not a he.
I call mine a he.
What do you do?
I just wanted to see something.
We have to blur this out. How about a 3?
How about a tree?
Yeah, and the reason why I wanted black was because, well, my hair's not dyed, I have black hair, and I wear mostly neutral tones, just something that would go with everything, and I'm a really, really neat person, so I keep myself pretty immaculate, and my car interior is black. I just love the color.
No, it's a classic black bag. You can use it literally all the time for everything. It's like classic.
It's elegant. So the woman said it was very elegant. There's, spit marks. It's just, it's beyond grateful. All I can say is beyond grateful.
Beyond grateful.
I know.
Thank you so much.
I know what it takes, like how hard it is. Like I just know it. I've been that guy who was coveted. I wanted. I needed. I dream it. I want it. I dream it. And you know.
Yeah.
I know.
It took time. It takes time. You take
As it
literally
should.
so much journey to get
it should.
to this first one, and this was luck for another one. I mean, this wasn't even mine. This was.
Well, they say
Yeah.
luck is opportunity and preparation.
Just be prepared. I got opportunity.
And just be nice.
Anyway, we're gonna go play with it, and he's gonna go play with it.
I know. I can't. I'm like gagging. Okay, let's take some photos.
Okay, alright, anyway, so, okay, bye, he's gone, because he's, but, yay, okay, that was it. I'm so happy that he got this, and I'm really happy that they were able to make this happen for him. This is so amazing, and I'm so grateful. That's what I have for you? Yeah, okay, so that's what I got, so.
I'm gonna walk around everywhere just like this.
Okay, well, okay, bye now, we're gonna go play with it.
Bye!
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, please smash the like button, please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share it with your enemies next, I know your time is valuable, and I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me and Andrew, and happy birthday. Okay, love you, bye.